The Clarke CH4000C 400kg electric power hoist is the ideal hoist for all manner of lifting work. This compact general-purpose electric power hoist is easy to install and is supplied with special fixing clamps for simple square-section beam fitting. Drawing up to 900 watts at 230 volts AC, it is fitted with a standard 13-amp plug. The included remote control features a simple control for up and down with a large emergency stop button. The CH4000C is fitted with a twist-free 12-meter-long lifting cable, and a straight lift has a maximum load capacity of 200 kilograms. The capacity can be doubled by looping the cable back up and attaching it to the hoist frame. A massive 400 kilograms can then be raised by this sturdy hoist. The lifting rate is 10 meters per minute with a single cable, or 5 meters per minute with the cable doubled. With a lifting height of 12 meters with a single cable, or 6 meters with the cable doubled, the Clarke CH4000C will handle all of your heavy lifting requirements for many years to come.